You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk windscreen wipers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Lift the wiper blade arm up. To take the blade off, place it perpendicular to the arm and push. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new blade and install the adapter which corresponds to your model. Insert it into the metal cylinder of the arm, then flip it so that it is like an extension of the arm itself. Place the arm gently back onto the windscreen.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Lift the windscreen wiper, then turn the blade 90 degrees. To remove the blade, push it down on the holding tabs, then slide the blade downwards to remove it. Take the new blade. To put the new blade, slide it into its housing. Reinstall the wiper. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.